Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy noodles in the microwave. Start by adding pasta and water to a microwave-safe bowl, covering pasta by about 1 inch. Microwave on high in 2 to 3 minute bursts, stirring between bursts to prevent sticking. Drain most water, reserving 2 to 3 tablespoons for the sauce. Return pasta to the bowl and stir in butter, cream, and cheese until smooth and creamy. Cook time varies, so I recommend testing after each 2-minute interval until pasta is just tender. Stir thoroughly to free starch and encourage a silky sauce base. When pasta reaches al dente, drain most water but keep a couple of tablespoons of starchy water. Add cold butter and warm cream slowly while stirring, then blend in grated cheese until the sauce clings to the noodles and feels luxuriously creamy. Seasoning makes all the difference. A pinch of garlic powder and a little salt go a long way. Stir in fresh herbs or a grind of black pepper at the end for a pop of brightness. If you want an ultra-rich finish, mix in a spoonful of cream cheese or a splash of milk and heat briefly to melt. Taste and adjust seasoning, then serve immediately while the sauce is warm and velvety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.